Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how do we create a SSH private key credentials. So last time we had done SSH credential, we had configured the SSH credentials using the username and password. But that kind of credential is not good, not good practice to log in and then do the discovery. We are going to create a SSH private key credentials. So I just show you the last discovery status. Last time we had discovered this Linux server discovery with I just showing you the credentials. So this is our Red Hat Linux basic SSH credentials. So last time we had done this configuration. While doing this, we have discovered the Linux server discovery, but we are going to do the uh, SSH private key credential. Using the SSH private key credentials, we are going to do the discovery. So I just going to click new. Here we need to select the SSH private key credentials. So SSH private key credential is a private key. It's kind of a token. It's like a token. So we can generate every time in the Linux environment. So here we can create this SSH private key credentials. For this one, Red Hat SSH key, I'm named this record. So as per our configuration, the username is Disco. So here we no need to put the password. We are just putting the SSH private key. So I do have this private key in here. I just copy this one and paste it in here. So how do we get this RSA private SSH private key? So I will make that as a separate video. In a AWS, if you create a Linux server, we can you can able to know that. So if you have the if you want to connect the Linux server, you need to provide this uh, key pair. So using the key pair only you can able to connect the Linux server. So I will make the separate video for generating this key pair. So now I just show you how to discover the Linux server using this SSH private key credentials. So let me submit this page. So now I just test this credential with the 198.51.2 target IP, and also the port number will always 22 for Linux server. So we are taking this mid server, Windows mid server. I click OK. So credentials has been validated. I am going to do the discovery now. Our Linux server discovery. It's taking little bit more time. So I'm going to do the discover now. Before that, in the quick ranges, I already put this IP address. So I do the discover now. So I'm getting this record. Now the discovery is getting started. But this discovery status is completed. All the things are going good. Using the private key credentials, we are getting this result. So we can able to see the CMDB underscore CA device also. So in the next class, we are going to see about the behavior. So thank you for watching my video in today.